Ever wondered how your camcorder knows exactly where to focus? You press record, and the subject stays sharp, even in low light. It feels like magic, but it's actually smart technology. Today, we'll uncover how infrared autofocus makes this happen. Infrared autofocus uses invisible light to measure distance. The camera sends out an infrared beam toward the subject. This beam bounces back to a sensor inside the camera. The time or angle of the return tells the camera how far the subject is. Then, the lens adjusts to make the image sharp. It works even in low light because infrared doesn't need visible light. That's why it's perfect for indoor or night shooting. When you point the camcorder, it fires an infrared pulse. The sensor reads the reflection and calculates the distance. The lens moves automatically to the correct position. This happens in milliseconds, so you barely notice it. It's great for fast-moving scenes or dim environments where normal focus struggles. Some advanced systems even combine infrared with other focus methods for extra accuracy. Imagine filming your friend at a birthday party in a dark room. The camcorder sends out infrared light, which hits your friend and returns. The system knows your friend is 2 meters away. It adjusts the lens so your friend looks clear, even with poor lighting. No extra lights, no manual focus. Infrared does the job. Think of it like a blind person using a cane. The cane taps the ground to sense obstacles. Infrared light is the camera's cane. It feels the distance and guides the lens. Just like the cane helps someone move safely, infrared helps the camera focus accurately. Infrared autofocus is like giving your camera night vision for focusing. It measures distance with invisible light and keeps your subject sharp. Next time you shoot in low light, remember, it's infrared doing the magic.